Ever wondered how to keep your white shoes sparkling clean? Today we're diving into the best ways to maintain that pristine look. From baking soda and vinegar mixtures to laundry detergent solutions, we've got you covered. Stay tuned as we reveal the secrets to making your white shoes shine like new. First up, let's talk about the magic of baking soda and vinegar. Mix 3 tablespoons of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of white vinegar to form a paste. Use a toothbrush to scrub the paste onto your lightly soiled canvas shoes. Wait for it to dry, then brush it off, and voila! Your canvas shoes are now free of dirt and debris. Next on our list is the classic soapy water method. Warm up a cup of water and mix in some liquid dish soap. Use a toothbrush to apply this mixture to your white leather shoes. Wipe them with a damp cloth, then let them dry. With just a few simple steps, your leather shoes are now looking brand new. If you're dealing with mesh or cloth shoes, laundry detergent is your best friend. Start with 1 tablespoon of laundry detergent mixed with warm water. Dip a clean washcloth in the solution. Apply to your sneakers in circular motions. For stubborn stains, a toothbrush works wonders. And there you have it, clean and fresh mesh shoes. For those deep and stubborn stains, bleach is the way to go. A bleach pen targets those pesky spots, while a bleach solution mixed with water brightens up white shoelaces. Just remember, always wear gloves and work in a well-ventilated area. Now those deep stains are a thing of the past. Last but not least, we have the toothpaste method. Grab an old toothbrush and some white toothpaste. Apply the toothpaste to the brush and gently scrub away the dirt and grime from your shoes. Rinse, dry, and voila. And just like that, your shoes are bright and clean. So there you have it, folks. From baking soda and vinegar to good old toothpaste, we've given you a rundown of the best ways to make your white shoes shine again. Whether you're dealing with canvas, leather, or cloth shoes, there's a solution for you. And don't forget about those deep stains. A bleach pen or bleach solution can do wonders. Try these methods and watch your white shoes return to their former glory. Until next time, keep those shoes sparkling.